Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala Sayyidina Maulana Muhammadin wa sallim wa sallim. This is another video by Professor Adnan Qadir. This is about the transportation planning process. Uh, this video has been divided, this topic has been divided into certain videos so that we can concentrate one aspect at different at a time. So let's see what is transportation planning is an activity or process that examines the potential of future actions to guide a situation or systems towards a desired direction. Planning is something that occurs in present, that is 20 years before it is uh, it will be it will be fully functional, and it is oriented towards the future. So what is the purpose? The purpose of planning is to achieve positive goal, avoid negative consequences, or both. Let's see what I mean by achieving positive goal, or to avoid negative functions. So we say both. So we can say that when we need to achieve positive goals, we have to define clear, and our goals should be clear and positive. What I mean is that we have to know, we have to define, we have to articulate that our planning will focus on improved accessibility, reduce congestion, and enhance safety and environmental sustainability. So this should be our goal, and we try to align our goals with overall visions and values of the community. It's for planning. It is a tool. This we should be very focused that we have to have a stakeholder engagement, and that should include community members, the businessmen, the environmental groups, the policymakers. We gather the input and feedback to show that goals are reflected of community needs and desire. The third thing we must do is to comprehensively analyze the data. We need to understand the existing transportation patterns, the challenges, and the opportunities to inform the decision making and identify the areas of the improvement. Now, another goal is to promote a multimodal transportation system that accommodates various modes of transportation, cycling, public transit, and private vehicles. And we have to prioritize sustainable and active transportation options. We must have a focus. We must prioritize the safety. We have to plan to reduce accidents enhance pedestrian and cyclist safety, and improve overall road safety. We have to focus on accessibility and equity. We have to ensure the transportation plan prioritize accessibility of all members of the community, including those with disabilities and those with limited access to the transportation. We have to address police potential activity by considering the impact of project on different socio-economic groups. We have to consider the impact of transportation decision on public health. We have to encourage active transportation modes which can contribute to physical activity and healthier lifestyles. Another point that we should remember is to embrace innovative technologies that can improve transportation efficiency and sustainability. Explore smart transportation systems, electrical vehicles, and data-driven solutions. We have to have a long-term planning that anticipate future needs and challenges. We have to consider the resilience and adaptability of transportation system to the changing conditions. We have to establish a robust monitoring and evaluation system to assess the impact of transportation projects over time, and we have to use feedback to make informed judgment and improvement. We have to have flexible and adaptive planning. Since the transportation planning is an evolving process, we have to adapt plans based on changing circumstances, technological advancement, and community need. We have to create public awareness to educate the community about the positive goals of the transportation planning, and we have to communicate the benefits of sustainable transportation choice. We have to engage agencies, organizations, and jurisdiction to leverage resources and expertise. Foster partnership to implement joint transportation initiatives. So this is what I stop here for the planning part 1. And in this planning, in this portion, in this part of the video, I have focused on the purpose of the planning. Thank you very much for your listening. Take care.